Welcome to Grow Up Kids. A for apple. Say with me, A for apple. B is for ball. Say with me, B is for ball. C is for cat. Say with me, C is for cat. D is for dog. Say with me, D is for dog. E is for elephant. Say with me, E is for elephant. F is for fish. Say with me, F is for fish. G is for gun. Say with me, G is for gun. H is for helicopter. Say with me, H is for helicopter. I is for igloo. Say with me, I is for igloo. J is for joker. Say with me, J is for joker. K is for kite. Say with me, K is for kite. L is for lion. Say with me, L is for lion. M is for monkey. Say loud, M is for monkey. N for nest. Say with me, N for nest. O for orange. Say with me, O for orange. P for parrot. Say loud, P for parrot.